Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked on multiplexers. Consider a 4 to 1 multiplexer with two selected lines S1 and S0 given below. Means they have given one 4 to 1 multiplexer, and basically if I am saying that it is a 4 to 1 multiplexer, it is going to have 4 inputs and it's going to have two selected lines and one respective output. Okay, here they are asking that the minimal sum of products form of the Boolean expression for the output f of the multiplexer is. Okay, fine. How we are going to solve this one? So basically, when we are going to have two select lines S1 and S0, what are the possible values we are going to have? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And when I am going to pass 0, 0, what is the input it is going to be selected as I0, right? If it is 0, 1, the select line will be selected, the input will be selected as I1. If it is 1, 0, it is going to select input 2. If it is 1, 1, it is going to select input 3, right? So finally, how we are going to write any function when it is 4 to 1 multiplexer? Basically, S1 bar, S0 bar, I0 plus S1 bar, S0, I1 plus S1, S0 bar, I2 plus S1, S0, I2, right? How I have written? I have taken each and every term, right? Now try to substitute the values like S1 bar and S0 bar. What is S1? S1 is P and S0 is Q, right? So in place of S1, try to substitute those values. Right? S1 is P, P bar, Q bar. I0 value is 0, right? So 0 plus S1 is P and S0 is Q. I1 value is 1. S1 is P, S0 bar is Q bar into I2. I2 value is R plus S1 value is P, S0 is Q, I3 is R bar, right? So I have taken simply this. Now try to substitute once again, solve it. So 0 into anything is 0, then this one will get as P bar Q plus P into Q into R plus P into Q into R bar, right? So now check whether this answer is given or not, right? If it is not there, you have to make it simplify, right? Or you have to maximize it, right? P bar Q, so the answer is not there. Now try to do with extension, right? I am trying to make it in the form of canonical forms, standard sum of the products, right? P bar into Q into, I can make use of R plus R bar, right here. So P into Q bar into R plus P into Q into R bar. If I make extension, substitution using distribution law, P bar into Q into R, P bar into Q into R bar, P into Q bar R, P into Q into R bar. Now, is the answer is there? P bar Q R bar, P bar Q R bar, right? So this term is not there, right? So option C is also wrong. Option E is not there. Option B is also not there. Option D is also not there, right? So we need to convert this expression into some other form. So means we need to make it simplified, right? As I extended it to standard sum of the products, right? It is not there in the options, so I need to go with the minimization complements, right? It is easy for us to minimize when we go with K-maps, right? So basically we can do with help of Boolean theorems, but Boolean theorems is very difficult to solve. It may lead to wrong answers. So I am going for K-maps, right? So how many variables are there here? 3 variables are there. So I can go with the 3 variable map. P, Q and R. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1. right? So first minterm 0 1 1 is this one, and second minterm 0 1 0 0 1 0, and third minterm 1 0 1 1 0 1, and fourth minterm 1 1 0. So 1 1 0 will be like this, right? Now once you have drawn the schema with the respective values, you can able to place all the remaining values as 0. Those are maxed out, right? Now how can you make combine? So you have to find the size of the largest subcube. So I can take this as one largest subcube, and can I take this as one largest subcube? Yes, and I have to make this as 1, right? So if you are going to take this largest subcube, the values are p bar. What is the value? It is not changing at the x-axis. It is it's not changing as q. And if you take this one on y-axis, completely removed. On x-axis, it should be q r bar. Right? If you take this one, it is p q bar r. P q bar r. Right? So finally, if you are going to combine all the expressions, p bar q plus q r bar plus p q bar r bar. Right? So this is the simplified form of the respective expression. Right? Check with the answer whether it is there or not. P bar q, first option, q r bar and p q bar r. Right? So option A is the correct answer. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.